The pilot can check the remaining fuel quantity while in the cockpit on the Fuel System page of the multifunction display, or the ICUS display, or outside of the aircraft at the Refuel/Defuel panel, if the master switch is set to the on position. At the Refuel/Defuel panel, the pilot can pre-select the required fuel quantity, up to a maximal load of 3,311.3 kilograms in the automatic mode, which will then be displayed. The pilot can also pre-select the fuel quantity with the Refuel Quantity switch in the flight compartment, and the pre-selected quantity will then be displayed on the Fuel System page of the multifunction display, but also outside at the Refuel/Defuel panel with the master switch on. When the tank vehicle is connected to the refueling system via the refueling adapter and fuel pressure is applied, the refueling of the wing tank group starts. During the refueling process, the pilot has an opportunity to reselect the required fuel quantity by increasing or decreasing with the Refuel Quantity switch in the flight compartment, or the pre-selector switch at the Refuel/Defuel control panel, as long as the pre-selected fuel quantity is not reached. The automatic pressure refueling is terminated when the pre-selected fuel quantity is reached, and the fuel quantity remaining displays for each tank show that the fuel is correctly divided between the left and the right-hand wing tank groups.